I'm Troy Beverly, and this is Pan-African News. South Africa. South Africa establishes new law that allows the government to seize land. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa signed into law on Wednesday, January 23, 2025, the Expropriation Bill, which outlines the reasons government entities may seize land in the public interest. The new law replaces the Apartheid-era Expropriation Act of 1975, which predates the post-apartheid South African Constitution enacted in 1997, which outlines the current reasons local, provincial, and national governments may expropriate land. As per Section 25 of the Constitution, public interest entails more than just public services like roads and hospitals. It includes promoting, quote, inclusivity and access to natural resources, unquote, as observed by Sputnik Africa. According to the Western Standard, the Ramaphosa administration explained that the new law does not allow the government to seize property at will or for a purpose other than in the public interest. Further, an expropriation authority will require the government to negotiate with property owners and provide, quote, just and equitable compensation, unquote. According to the South African government's website, land can only be expropriated if the expropriating authority was unable to reach an agreement with the owner or holder of a property under reasonable terms. The new law also allows disgruntled owners and holders to take their disputes to the appropriate courts. The new expropriation law also allows the government to seize land that has been abandoned by its owner or land being held onto for speculative purposes. As mentioned by the Western Standard, the African National Congress, which introduced the bill 5 years ago, exclaimed, quote, "This is a direct response to the needs of millions of South Africans who have been excluded from land ownership and access to natural resources for far too long. This law is a critical step toward fulfilling the vision articulated in the Freedom Charter, which declared, quote, the land shall be shared among those who work it, unquote."